Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to use Part Design Loft tool in FreeCAD. You also learn the steps and the several ways to invoke this tool. Part Design Loft tool is used to create one solid part with two or more sketches. Additive Loft creates a solid in the active body by making a transition between two or more sketches. If the body already contains features, the Additive Loft will be merged to them. Here, you find the steps and the several ways to invoke the Part Design Loft tool. The sketch selected at first will become the base profile. It is hereby important in what order you select them. You can change the section order anytime later in the Loft dialog by dragging sections in the list to the desired position. Now I will show you the application of the slot tool by using 3 different sketches on different planes. The sketches also have different shapes. First, I will create a body, and in this body, 3 different sketches. The first sketch is a square on XY plane. The first or the base sketch is created. Now, we create 2 planes for the other sketches. Select XY plane. Rotate the plane 45 degrees about Y-axis and move it up parallel to XY plane. For the second plane, select YZ plane from the origin and then move it 130 millimeters. Hide the second plane. Now, start to create a slot sketch on the tilted plane. Hide the tilted plane and hide the second plane. On this plane, I sketch a circle. Three sketches with different shapes. First, select the Loft tool and then the base sketch. Then, press OK. Now, add the second sketch. At the end, add the third sketch. A solid part is with Loft tool is created, but the solid part has more edges as required. The square and the slot have for sketch segments, but the circle is round and has only one segment. To better control the shape of the loft, it is recommended that all cross-sections have the same number of segments. In this case, the circle should be broken down into 4 connected arcs. In the next example, I break down the circle in 4 parts. First, I will create a new body. I will copy all 3 sketches from the first body and paste in the second body. Now I will modify the circle in 4 parts. Trim the circle segments. Copy and rotate the 4th circle segment about the center of the circle. Now, we have for circle arcs. Apply the same procedure to create the loft solid part. As you see, with this method, you will get a better result. You can also select the sketches one after the other and then the Loft tool. It is hereby important in what order you select them. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD Part Design tools. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.